Day 187, nigga. This on that murder shit. Straight off the top. That's my grounds, nigga. Paper chaser. Get money, niggas. Glass shack, niggas. Stacked up and I'm racked out. Money in my ears, so I'm talking about. Bitch, I'm on the corner. I'm about that life. Murder. These niggas ain't on no holidays. I'm gonna chase this paper. I gotta get that pay. I'm out here all day. Words fucking making my money and up in my pocket. These niggas need to stop it. These tunes we gon' rock it. These beats we gon' kill them till they motherfucking feel us. All I know is moolah. Get money, niggas. Hallelujah. I'm on a paper chase. This shit should be scary, cause all the routes I take, niggas could get buried. Your throat get kicked in. I'm about $1 million. Still off in the booth getting vicious. Me and my young fucking niggas. One OG. Y'all niggas pussy. Me, I go ham. Me, I go ham. Huh? I'm just chillin' in Turks and Caicos. On an island, big fucking faces. I'm all about that paper. Money on my mind, fuck you fakers. Stay on the level. Gotta stay high, cause I'm in the ghetto smoking on that Philly. Y'all niggas gon' feel me. Y'all bitches won't feel me. I'ma keep it real, see? I'm back on that ass, stomping in that pussy. My young niggas, they bout that life, so bitch, please don't push me. We roll around 100, at least we got 100. Talk about your money in your pocket, you done it, I seen it, I brung it. You working for the white man, homeboy, my feelings saying I'm kicking it up in Turks and Caicos Island. Just chillin' with my youngest. I had to get this one too. A nigga hate being sober. Nigga like riding in the Rover. I done told you, I got my own flow, my own dope. This shit I record on is money to make, nigga. I'm branding out on this motherfucking little state, nigga. About that paper, the road to riches. Motherfuck them finally famous niggas, cause they thinking that they all that. Homeboy with a ball bat brought me a new Gap for Christmas, can you believe that? If I showed you, they won't find out. Where I'm chillin' with my house. I told the police I love to be sober when I'm in the celly, cause they won't check. I fuck up, but that's a freestyle, huh? Even though I fuck up on that, that's a freestyle, nigga. Huh? At least I met my shit, nigga. Huh? No joke. Bah. Bah, bah. Get smoked. You don't really wanna fucking get smoked. All the talks you got over there, nigga, pure joke. You needs to walk up on the corner on a brother, lay him down like a real fucking murderer. Nigga, you's a bitch, nigga, don't get smoked. I'ma keep my shit to me so I don't get smoked. I'ma keep it real, nigga, no fucking joke. Listen what I say, dog, no fucking quote. I'm on this beat, nigga, y'all pussy, mouse in a hood. Me, I'm a rookie, but I get that paper, so I'm a grown boy. I'm a grown man on my other level shit. Y'all niggas don't get murked. Don't come around this turf. Don't talk about you motherfucking hard and niggas around here. Y'all niggas straight pussy. Pussy. Ah. Bah. 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 We go. Get smoked. Get smoked. I'm holding. Money making holding. Cause I'm fucking tripping. Hey, but that shit vicious though. I went hard on that beat right there. What's this shit, nigga? Check this shit out right here, nigga. I had to get this one right here, though. Huh? These niggas wanna hold me back, but these niggas don't know that. I'm all about that paper. All the money I make, I share ya. Buy a bitch some, nigga. Say you ballin', buy a bitch some, nigga. I go hard in the paint. Fuck off. Y'all niggas need to get off my dick. Fuck off. I'm a real nigga. You's a fake, nigga. I just keep it trill, nigga. Wake up and get baked, nigga. I'm smoking, you know I'm fucking potent. I'm on the block all day, dog. My stroke game is open. Ask your bitch, dog, is vicious. Ask your bitch, dog, she with us. Kid shit. Y'all niggas ain't doing shit, ain't done shit. Stop saying that you boring. Homeboy, find something to do, cause y'all ass important. And I'ma leave it plain. Nice, plain and simple. Your bitch fucking bad one. Push my dick in her dimple. She got pretty ass spine. She can't hold me back though. All about that paper, cash flow, dinero. These niggas rookies, and I'ma go hard on the paint on these pussies. Ah, these niggas wanna what? Can't hold me back. These niggas some straight up pussy. What you know about that? I'ma hold a grind, nigga. I'ma hold a crime. Then I hold my grind, nigga. Try to hold me down. Ah. Real shit. Clear the block ready. The clock heavy. So why you think I'm always moving with paper on me? Cause the tweak is heavy. Say the tweak is heavy. Your bitch, she want me. I'm still getting money. Ain't shit changed. Shit ain't even funny. Y'all niggas ain't working with shit. Keep the flag out. Cause I'm representing my clique. I'm still getting that cake up. Y'all niggas about paper. Gon' do me, nigga. Till I can't do me no more, and I'ma just spaz on your bitch ass, nigga. I'm all about that life, get that money, do shit right. Fly shack, nigga. I don't fucking done this shit, nigga. Run this shit, nigga. Kill this shit. I told you. Day 187. Shit won't sound like murder.